Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to set up a Wealthfront account. If you're looking to automate your investments and build wealth effortlessly, Wealthfront is a fantastic robo-advisor that can help. It's user-friendly, low-cost, and perfect for beginners or busy professionals. Stick around, and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. First off, what is Wealthfront? It's an online platform that uses algorithms to manage your investments, offering features like tax loss harvesting and diversified portfolios. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Head over to the Wealthfront website. Simply open your web browser and type in wealthfront.com or search for it on Google. Once you're there, you'll see a Get Started button. Click that to begin. Step 2. Sign up for an account. You'll need to provide your email address and create a password. If you prefer, you can link your Google or Apple account for quicker access. Make sure to verify your email right away to keep things moving. Next, Step 3. Fill out your personal information. This includes your name, address, date of birth, and social security number for verification purposes. Don't worry. Wealthfront uses top-notch security to protect your data. Step 4. Answer a few questions about your financial goals. Wealthfront will ask about your investment objectives, risk tolerance, and time horizon. This helps them tailor a portfolio just for you. Be honest here to get the best recommendations. Step 5. Fund your account. You can link your bank account or transfer funds from another brokerage. Start with as little as $500, but remember, the more you invest, the more you can grow. Finally, Step 6. Review and confirm. Double-check all the details, agree to the terms, and voila! Your account is set up. Now, you're ready to start investing. In conclusion, setting up a Wealthfront account is straightforward and takes about 10 to 15 minutes. It's a smart way to grow your money without the hassle of constant monitoring. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.